Question number 3. What are the solutions for the equation x squared plus 6x plus 8 equals 0? And what I'm going to do here is that I will solve by factoring. After all, I can just factor this trinomial, and that's going to make it easy for us to actually find the solutions. So I'm going to get started by putting an x over here, another one over there, and we're looking for two numbers that multiply to 8 and add up to 6. Okay, how about 4 and 2? That will work, right? 4 times 2, 8. 4 plus 2 is 6. Now, of course, we want to find the values of x that will make the equation true. If I take this portion here, x plus 4, if I plug in a negative 4 for x, negative 4 plus 4 is 0. And 0 times anything is just 0. So negative 4 is one solution for the equation. What is the other one? Let's take this part. We have x plus 2. If I plug in a negative 2 for x, negative 2 plus 2 is 0. 0 times anything else is 0. So negative 2 would also make the equation true. So the solutions for the equation are negative 4 and negative 2. The answer is A. That's it. Okay, now question number 4. I will also solve it by factoring. So I'm going to open two sets of parentheses here to factor the trinomial. Put an x over here, another one over there. Now we're looking for two numbers that multiply to negative 12 and add up to positive 1. Of course, there's an invisible 1 right there. Well, not that invisible now that I wrote it down. So what numbers multiply to 12? Let's ignore the negative for now. 1 and 12, 2 and 6, 3 and 4. But we want two numbers that will multiply to negative 12. So we need a positive number and a negative number. And they need to add up to 1. So how about 4? Or positive 4 and negative 3. 4 plus negative 3 is 1. 4 times negative 3 is 12. Or sorry, negative 12. Great. So I can plug in the plus 4 over here. And the negative 3 goes over there. So we have factored the trinomial. Now we can solve the equation. What value of x over here would make this portion equal to 0? Well, just negative 4. Because negative 4 plus 4 would give us 0. And since this portion is multiplying this, 0 times anything else would be 0. And that would be correct. Now what value of x over here would make the equation 0? Just positive 3. Right? 3 minus 3 is 0. So that works also. So the solutions are negative 4 and 3. That's it.